All right. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, the 21st, 22nd, something like that. It snowed last night, and a lot. I think a little over a foot or about a foot of snow. Uh, a little over an hour of shoveling. I'm hurting, but I'm not going to lay on the couch yet or take a bath or nothing yet, because like even right now as I'm doing this, I'm rubbing my lower back because it hurts. I'm drugged up. Uh, I'm losing my train of thought. I'm going back outside. Oh, I'm going back outside because I'm going to be playing in the yard. So in Calgary, you're not allowed to shovel the snow into the street. So I have a 5-foot fence, so I have to shovel it over my fence, which sucked because I have a driveway and a whiny dog. I know you don't need to go outside because you were outside for like an hour while I shoveled and you just loved it. But I also just put my toque on. As soon as I put my toque on, she thinks we're going outside or I'm doing a video. So I'm about to go back outside. What the plan is, you'll see all these mounds of snow in the yard, and that's from me shoveling the snow over the fence from the driveway and the sidewalk. Stop it. We're going to go outside soon. I know you're a big baby. Look at that. It's so hard to say no to you. Oh, you know, because you're a big baby. You're a ducky dog. You're a ducky dog. So, that guy's going to go out. I haven't had this guy out, I think, a couple of years. If I can find it, I have a video on my YouTube channel from a few years ago of me installing this kit. The electrical was done by Rookie because he bound my FlySky to my hacked GT3B, which can run mixed motors or mixed ESCs. So you could throttle up, and it'll throttle up both ESCs equally until you play with the throttle, and that's how you power up your tracks. So as you can see, I'm running dual 540 cans. So those are 80 turns. They're direct drive onto a custom made cog. Now the reason why I'm going to put up the link is because I can't remember who makes it. I believe it was a Canadian company that starts with a G, so it could be GMC or GCM. I can't remember. So all it is you get a plate that comes with it to make those two holes right there, and then you directly bolt up your motor, and then you direct drive the cog. It comes with a new set of chains, or you can remove a couple links of the chain yourself, and that's it. The only thing you got to watch for is when you're putting your motors in to make sure that you leave space, or you line up the motors properly so that positive, negative this way, so your terminals don't touch the two motors, because that's bad. You don't want that arcing happening. And yeah, just a couple of Hobby Wing cheapies. I forget which ones these are. They're part of the Quick Run family. There you go, 1060s. Yeah, that's about it. I'm going to be running on 3-cell, typical Walmart lights. I got those lights on there. They work perfectly, actually. They're the perfect size and everything. They look great right where they are. They work really good, and then, of course, I got a little bit of green light on the inside. Batteries on the chargers are just about ready to go. I'm going to put my boots on, we'll get out there. Oh, yeah, and this thing's been in the fridge for a couple hours, so she's nice and cold. I'm going to put a battery in it and put it back in the fridge for another couple minutes while I get dressed and get the camera ready, and we'll get outside. Yeah. I'm all drugged up. Come on. Gotta keep it moving. Oh shit. It might be too deep for this thing. Oh, as soon as I turn. This shit's deep. Okay, it's really deep and really cold. Come on, Blizzard. So the thing about this thing is it gets hung up really easy because it's really low to the ground in the middle. Oh. Damn it. Working great over here. Well, I'm going to go out on a limb and call that a failure. My right hand that is holding the GoPro stick is freezing. I didn't know how cold it was. I checked the weather once I came back inside. It says -6 but -15 with the wind chill. And yeah, my right hand is pretty cold. My left hand was driving, but my right hand was on the stick, and then also flipping the truck every now and then. And yeah, once I dipped it in snow, it was pretty much over. But maybe the battery's too heavy, or maybe there's too much going on in the truck. The big difference between the upgrade that I did and how it comes stock is now it's much heavier. Now I was running a 3300 mAh 3-cell, so maybe I got to back it down to like 1,000, no, a 1,500, something smaller in weight, because maybe it was too heavy, because as soon as it spins its tracks and sinks, it gets high centered because it's only got like that much ground clearance or snow clearance. So as soon as you dig and it sinks, it gets hung up. So it's a lot better on the trails, because you can actually keep it moving. Because in my yard it's difficult, because as soon as I slow down it just sinks, or as soon as I try and turn, phone almost slid out of my pocket, as soon as I turn, the one track stops, and then you try and get going again and it's over. So maybe I'll try later on today when it warms up, because I'll have more patience when my fingers are frozen. But for now, thanks for watching.